I wrote 2 note cards, one about what I'm looking forward to in the spring semester and how I've been successful this past semester, something like that.
I said that I was surprised by how much everyone was still interacting over Zoom and how it still kind of feels like a community, even though we're online.
It was interesting to see how the school, the university, and the students adapted to this new situation.
It has been strange, but I think it has shown me all that I'm capable of and all that my peers are capable of.
It's about not being scared. Just know what the protocols are, know how to be safe, know how to stay safe. We have a free testing site for students, which is amazing.
We all have to adjust to the pandemic, so it's understandable.
During the fall semester, I really enjoyed interacting with different clubs via Zoom. So those being the National Association for Black Journalists or the Black and African Coalition.
Every once in a while, I might do like a one-on-one coffee date with someone. Nothing too crazy, obviously. Even FaceTime calls mean the world to me now.
This fall has gone so much more smoother than the spring. My professors know the technology better. There's reasonable expectations for, being present in Zoom.
As a future educator, it's important to kind of be able to do whatever you can with the current situation you're in.
I think I just miss being around my friends and going out on weekends for dinner with friends.
Yeah, it hasn't affected my social life much because I don't have one to begin with. Sorry, it's like that. So in spring 2021, I'm probably looking forward to graduating the most.
So most of my classes are over, so all that will be left for the spring semester is my research. Mostly aerial and underwater robots like automated drones and automated submarines.
I'm looking forward to graduating and maybe starting a podcast.
I love being around people. I love being around community. That's why I'm a reporter. I love talking to people. I'm definitely looking forward to see what ASU has planned for the future, what's to come.
I think the more socially distanced club opportunities, class opportunities, even fitness class opportunities we have, the more students will feel engaged not only in their schoolwork, but just socially and with ASU as a whole.
This art installation, it's a way to celebrate the good things that have happened on campus this fall and to look forward to next spring.